Assalamualaikum and hi. My name is Muhammad Kinizaro and I'm from 4B. Today I'm going to present about my app which is TaskBoard application. I choose this app as my reference for this project. Introductions. The TaskBoard app is a mobile application developed to help users manage their daily tasks, routines, and calendar activities in a more organized and efficient way. It offers a simple and user-friendly interface where users can add, view, and edit tasks, monitor their activity streak, and maintain consistency through routine tracking. With features like auto streak updates and calendar-based task views, the app aims to boost productivity and help users stay on track with their responsibility. Next is the reason I create this app because I noticed that many people around me, including close friends and team members, often struggle with time management and punctuality. This lack of structure not only affected productivity but also led to increased stress, confusion, and a negative impact on mental well being. By creating this app, I wanted to provide a simple yet effective tool to help users stay organized, manage their routines better, and build healthier habits in their daily lives. Next, we will go to how to use this app. So this is the front page. So basically, I want to focus on for the new user. So whenever they are enter the app, they need to register their account first. So the detail like full name, age, gender, email for login, and also set a password. The password doesn't have any requirement, but so it can contain consist of numbers or any alphabet or maybe combine both of them and then it will insert to the database. So it's very useful for login authentication. So after that we just click on register and it will alert the message registration successful and it will back to the login page. Next, we have login. So for now, I use the all user because I want to show some features about how if what if all user login. So they just need to enter their email for login and their password. So whenever they enter wrong email or password, it will display an error message. Okay, but this one is successful and as you can see, it will directly display to the home screen. So next is the home screen. As you can see, the top right button is the logout button and it have a profile picture, name and streak. This streak are a activity, how many their daily of their login for their application. So other than that, it have four navigators button, which is task, profile setup, calendar, and routine. Four of them have different functionality. And below that, it show that summarize of their list of event that are already tick or list them in that. Next, for setup profile, the user just need to click on the profile and just set up anything like if you want the user want to upload the new picture, just click on the picture and choose picture or just click the button at the profile to edit such as full name, age, and the biodata. So basically, the profile picture is not directly updated in the database. So the user need to back to the login screen and then log in back to the account. So it will updated the new picture profile. So next is the task navigator button. So it will direct to this screen, and the user just need to input any type of task that they want to put for that day. So just simply put the task name and just click the add button. So if the user has done it, so it's just they need to tick it and it will alert the message. So it have two buttons, which is delete button for the specific task, or just reset all of them, all of the tasks completely on. Next, we have a calendar navigator button. So just click the calendar and choose specific dates. So when they are choose the specific dates, the system will have a input to the user to add an event. So simply just input the details such as event name, times, or remark. It's an optional, and just choose the priority. So the priority have three categories, which is medium, high and low. And three of this category determine the color. So for high will determine as red, medium is orange, green, low as green. So after done, choose them, just simply click and then back to home screen. So as you can see, it have a delete button. So at home screen, my calendar already updated the new list in my calendar. And we have a deleted feature. So just specifically click the date and then delete the event. Next and last, which is routine, just click on the routine button and the routine will display based on the user input in database. So it will display all of the routine that the user have input in them. So for the add feature, so just click on add button and then simply input the details such as routine name, time, and for repeat, they have three categories: daily, weekly, and monthly. So for specifically for weekly, it need to input selected day. So after choose them, just simply click save, and then it will display the routine. So it will keep safely in the database, and they also have a delete feature, so just click on it and then it will be deleted. That's all for the flow of using the TaskBoard app. So now I want to show you about my database for this application. So this is my database, which is consists of three tables. So it have user, routine, and calendar. So user have the PK, which is the ID. Routine have their own ID and calendar have their own ID. So it link with their user ID. So it will contain of the specifically data for the user because the ID already sync with the routine and calendar. So for this application, I'm using the React Native for front end and then PHP my admin for database. So in end text editor is Visual Studio Code. That was my software requirement to create this app. That's all from me. Thank you.